In this video, we're going to look at how to find unassigned work in the Dusk FSM Mobile application. Log in with your PIN. From the dashboard, navigate to the map tile. Once in here, head over to the filter on the top left. In here, choose the date from which you would like to find unassigned work from. In the status drop-down, navigate to the bottom and choose Unassigned. Then tap Apply. On the map, you'll see pink pins, which show the unassigned work that is available. Tap on a pink pin and then View Job. You'll be able to view the work and see if it is work you're able to undertake. It's important to acknowledge the work first, and this has now removed it from the unassigned status, so other technicians will not be able to accidentally pick up this work. Then tap on Continue. This is how you find unassigned work in the Dusk FSM mobile application.